here from Blades and Triggers. Today we're going to have a look at the CIVIVI Elementum Frag G10.
Let's get into the unboxing. So you can see it's simple, plain white box, CIVIVI logo. It's got the details here on the side. So you can see it's Elementum C907A-3 Frag pattern ivory G10 satin finish D2 blade. Back of it has the lifetime warranty. There's a little caution on it as well. So yeah, it's got stickers on both sides to keep it closed. A little warning. Read the instructions before opening or using the knife inside. Caution, very sharp. Right. Let's have a look here. So it comes in their classic CIVIVI pouches. Nylon black pouch, civivi.com. There's a logo on it, nothing embroidered, so it's just basically printed on there. So open it up. So you open it up, see it has the bright lime green cloth for cleaning. A little sticker, green CIVIVI sticker. Product use and warranty information, little leaflet. Has all of their social media handles. It's Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Instructions before use. Very sharp knife. There's their email. Tells you a little bit about their warranty. And then a QR code to scan and go to their website. Then there's a little leaflet here as well. It has the Blade Show Best of the Year 2021. Very popular knife, the Elementum. Best of the year 2021, and then basically just the other models to get you excited to buy more fantastic quality CIVIVI knives. There we go. Conspirator, Midwatch, Brazen, Button Lock, Elementum 2. Right, and then the knife would be in this little packaging here, little clear plastic. Comes with a little, so you have the knife as well as a sticker of the knife. So 2 stickers we can add to our sticker collection. Righto, so in front of us we have the super popular Elementum with some new shoes on it, or new scales. Alright, so it is your standard satin finish D2 drop point blade Elementum with your jimping at the back here, stainless steel liners, deep pocket carry clip, little hole here for a lanyard at the back. And what they've changed on it here, there's your CIVIVI logo. On the scales, they've made a frag pattern G10. So this is ivory G10, not your standard G10. It's ivory G10 to have that white finish onto it here. And then they added the frag pattern, which you find on grenades. So give it that it's a classy feel with the ivory G10 scales, and then they added that frag to just give it, you know, more of a manly feel to it. So it's your flipper tab here. Look at your flipper tab. Close length, you're looking on this about 10.2 centimeters. The blade, you're looking at about 7.5 centimeters, and then the overall length you're looking at 17 centimeters, give or take. So solid blade. Good utility knife, no frills, no fuss. It is perfect for everyday carry. Satin finish on here, hollow grind, solid blade, perfect for everyday carry. And this is a classy looking one as well, as I mentioned before. There you go, we have your liner lock, simple to close, running on the bearings, easy to open, decent sized pocket knife. This is actually one that is just missing from my collection that should be added soon.
There we have it. As always, if you like what you see, click on the link below to purchase online or pop in to any one of our stores nationwide. Don't forget to register for our BNT Elite program. Click on the notification icon above to keep in touch.